Hi guys, this is Pelek from simplepagetips.com. In this video we're going to review a new software called QR PROFITZ. And by the end of this video you're going to know exactly if this software is going to help you in the future or is just a waste of time and money. Stay with me for this review. Love you. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the sales page, okay? QR PROFITZ finally a guaranteed way to pay us to use the internet. You're going to make a QR codes for business owners and then you're going to sell them. And for all the newbies out there, I know that you want to buy software, it's going to cost you $15 or $17, and then you're going to get $497 payments passively every time, and you don't need to work anymore and don't do nothing. Okay, but unfortunately this is a little bit misleading, okay? Not a little bit, a tremendous amount of misleading concept. You're never ever going to buy products for $15 or $17 and going to get those payments passively every month by blah blah blah. I know you're smart guys, so just put a sense of comments here, okay? So after you know that you're going to make QR codes for business owners and you're going to get those kind of payments every month, and they made over $19,000, okay, without working, without blah, without spending, okay. And now the sales page start to talk about the COVID and how much it's difficult time and everyone need helps and the QR code is going to help them. This sales page is a great sales page. It's just going to push all of the right triggers that you want to know. That you're going to buy something very, very cheap. You're going to make tons of money without working, and then you're going to see the numbers everyone going to make one and another time and another time. Exactly the right trigger for you to buy, okay? In the past 180 days, they're doing, oh my god. Yo, this is so ridiculous. God, please someone help me. So this is the main dashboard of the software, QR code. Push this button. And you can choose between QR code type and put it the name, your email ID, put a subject, a body if you want. You can put it email, URL, phone number, plain text, okay? And then if someone going to scan your code, this is what you're going to see. And you can choose, after you write the body, you can choose between square, dot, or round, your color style. You can upload logo. Then you push generate and save QR. Now you can download it, print it, share it, it doesn't matter. As you choose the QR code, you can also choose to create barcode. It's the same process, okay? And then you have many OTOs, the reseller rights, the agency rights, and all those stuff. Something else that you will need to consider, you can go to a website called the QR code generator, and here you can have also a free QR code that you can create, powered by Bitly. You can put the URL, text, email, SMS, Wi-Fi, MP3, PDFs, it doesn't matter. You can choose the frame that you want, the colors, you can use it for free. You don't need to pay for it any amount of money, okay? For conclusion, I want you to understand, I don't like the sales page, I think it's a completely nonsense. It has a simple interface and it's very easy to learn how to use, but there are so many other free programs that do basically the same thing, okay? So if it was only my decision, it's only my opinion, I didn't waste my money on buying software like this. And I know that if you watch this software on Warrior Plus, or you're a newbie maybe on affiliate marketing, so I know that it's not a lot of money, 14, 17 bucks, but you buy every 2 days, 3 days another software. Use this money to learn Facebook ads, copywriting. So guys, thank you very much. If this review was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell that you can get a notification when I release a new videos. Okay? Have a great day. Goodbye. Bye bye.